So this is your design office, huh?
Yeah.
This is where you design and develop the shapes and all that. So if I give you, let's say, a 3D print or a particular design, how do you develop that? How do you do it?
Yeah. Normally, you can send out a drawing or send out a sample.
Yeah.
If you send out a sample, we can directly make a jig by your sample. If you need to modify anywhere, you can tell us, then our engineer can modify.
I can see it, all the bends, yes.
Yeah, if you send out your drawing, we have our own 3D printer. We firstly 3D down, 3D print down, then make a jig by the 3D printer. Yeah.
So you can make any special jig, yes?
Yeah, this factory we have 2 engineers here. We make the engineers make the design. We also have a large size the 3D printer in our Shanghai office.
You have office in Shanghai also?
Yeah. Shanghai is our sales office. Here is our exhaust facility.
Manufacturer, yeah.
So we can finish from the simple to scanning, 3D scanning and 3D printer, then make the jigs and the models, the whole process. Yeah, this is, you can see this is a motorcycle exhaust. The engineer is verifying this part because this area is easy touch the motorcycle frame.
Or the motorcycle, yeah.
Yeah, so need to modify this area. Yeah, this is the bracket.
That's very good.
Yeah, so we make a kind of a motorcycle exhaust muffler and also for the BMW and the footer and the GMO. So future you can send off your drawing. Even you can tell me your idea. How do you make your exhaust look so special?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not normal. It's very special.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your own products.
Yes. Your own design. Yeah. Very impressive. Yeah.